YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to change your default phone app for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to change the default phone app on your S25 series of phones, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for apps, and then from there what you want to do is hit apps. From there, what you want to do is look for a setting called choose default apps, and then from there you want to hit choose default apps, and then from there you can select your phone app and you can change your default phone app. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to change your default phone app for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.